Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies, Bangalore, the sales support and development partner for Bricsys in India. In this video, I will talk about a new technical support policy change brought about by Bricsys, which can affect the way you work with Bricsys. Now, you know that most customers in India either buy Bricsys with maintenance or without maintenance. The maintenance is usually for a period of 1 year by default. Prior to December 31st, 2023, there was an option to purchase Bricsys without maintenance or with maintenance, and accordingly the price would be different. Now from January 1st, 2024, maintenance is automatically included in every purchase of Bricsys, and the price has been rationalized accordingly. Now the new support policy change is that whether you are on maintenance or not is going to determine what kind of support you get from Bricsys. And this support does not just limit to technical support on using Bricsys, but also on the way your licenses are managed. Hello. So how is this going to impact you? So that is what is the purpose of this video. Most of our customers cannot renew their AMC or maintenance and therefore are not on an active maintenance plan. Even those who have purchased Bricsys in 2020 will eventually be out of maintenance after 1 year, and after that the renewal of maintenance is optional and up to the user. Such customers who are not on maintenance will no longer be able to request a license revoke from the backend technical support team, and will also not be able to reach out to Bricsys technical support for any help concerning the use of Bricsys. Now this rule has already existed since many years. It's only now that Bricsys has started enforcing it strictly. So before we explain more, let us look at some background. Every Bricsys license enables you to activate it on one computer. If you wish to transfer the license to another computer, you need to deactivate the same and then reactivate on another computer. This option can be exercised unlimited number of times. However, it requires that you have access to the source machine with the original installation and activation in order to deactivate successfully. In addition, each process of activation and deactivation requires internet connection and must be performed online. So now what's the problem here, or what's the hidden gotcha here? Now while this process of online activation and deactivation is cool, there are several instances where users forgot to deactivate the license and scrap, format or transfer or sell the old computer with its activation intact. In a few cases, the computers may get stolen as well. Now this can cause a problem because the user will claim that they are not using the software, but the server records the license as activated and in use. Bricsys management also will go by what they see on the server and not exactly what the user claims. In this situation, the only option left is to revoke the license. Revoking the license is a brute force method of telling the server to cancel the activation and set its status to not in use so that it can be activated again. Now, 2 revokes per license key are permitted and can be performed by the users themselves. This can be done by logging into your customer account in Bricsys.com. Now beyond this, you need to raise a support request to the Bricsys backend team if you need more revokes. But going forward, this request will be accepted only if the customer is on an active maintenance plan and not otherwise. So what this means is that you need to be very disciplined and careful about the activation. If you know that you're going to scrap your computer or format your computer or upgrade your computer, you need to first deactivate your license and then reactivate it on the new system. Hello. Now if you do not do it and if you have run out of those 2 revokes, then the only option left for you is to upgrade to the latest version, which means you will have to pay additional amount to upgrade to the current version of Rao. Many users raise this question, can I just add maintenance now? A maintenance plan or an AMC can be added to your Bricsys license only if you are already on the latest version. For example, as on date we are running the V24 version as current version. If you are a user of Bricsys V21 and need help with your license transfer, you will need to buy an upgrade to the current version with maintenance. So the short answer is no. If you are not on the current version of Bricsys, you need to upgrade to maintenance. This is equivalent to an upgrade plus maintenance cost. So the next question is, how much is this going to cost you? Now you can get your exact quote by contacting us, but here is a thumb rule for calculation. If it's just a maintenance renewal, the price is approximately 30% of the full cost of the software. If it includes an upgrade also, you can budget about 20% of the product cost per version of upgrade. For example, an upgrade from V21 to V24 is a 3 version upgrade and may cost you approximately 60% for upgrade and a 30% for maintenance. That would be close to 90% of the current product cost. Apply a combination discount and you can take that the price would be around 80% of the full price for a 3 version upgrade. However, bear in mind that getting an upgrade plus maintenance today would automatically entitle you to get the next version also included in the price. This is a hidden bonus that many users do not realize or factor in. So what do we think about? We do believe that the rules from Bricsys have been put in place with some good intentions in mind. Being on maintenance proactively and not waiting to be pushed to it is a great idea and one that most professional and forward-thinking companies always follow. We salute our always on maintenance customers for their continued support. However, we do understand that some users may have their own compulsions not to go for maintenance. We can only request such users to follow the best practices so as not to get into a situation where you will be forced to purchase an upgrade. We also believe that with the passage of time, your software may face problems with the operating system, network interaction, new DWG file formats, and things like that. A maintenance plan is your insurance to help you overcome all these issues. So our advice to all users is that please be very careful and disciplined in managing your licenses. If you know that you are going to change your computers, please deactivate your license and reactivate it on the new system. Do not just allow your computers to be withdrawn without the Bricsys license being deactivated. So if you allow this to happen, you can soon run into a situation where you will be forced to purchase an upgrade, if not today, maybe a year or two later. Now for some practical info. So how exactly do you move your license from one system to another? Now there is a separate video that has been made on this. You can watch that video. But let me tell you that this process is quite simple and not difficult, and it's already explained in detail in this blog. In fact, this whole video that you're watching now is a transcript and an explanation of what has been already written in my blog. The URL to this blog can be found at the bottom of this video, and many of you may have already received this blog as part of your newsletter. Thank you for watching this video, and do let me know if you have any problems with Bricsys license management.